Top 10 Lost Treasures of the World. Number 10. King John's Crown Jewels, England. In 1216, England was under control of King John, and apparently his crown jewels are scattered in an area that was known as the Wash. The story goes that King John was feeling ill and decided to return home for some much needed bed rest. While en route, the king demanded that he be taken around the Wash, an area filled with marshlands. While he made it safely through, his escorts that carried his belongings, like his crown jewels, went through the marshlands, which would have given them a shortcut. During the travel, the tide caused supply carts to sink within the marshlands. One of those carts carried the crown jewels, which is currently valued at 70 lakh dollars. Number 9. The Secret City of Paititi. Most people have heard the story of El Dorado, a city full of gold lost somewhere in the rainforest of South America. In fact, El Dorado is actually a legend about Muisca chieftain, the Golden One, who would cover himself with gold dust before certain religious ceremonies. The real city of gold is Paititi. In brief, the Spanish had been at war with the Incas of Peru for nearly 40 years, and the Incas had retreated to Vilcabamba Valley, where they held off the invaders until 1572. When the Spanish conquered the Incas, they found the city largely deserted. It appeared as if the Incas had fled to a new location in the rainforests of southern Brazil, taken their vast treasure of gold with them. The new city was never found, nor was the gold, and eventually the story was relegated to the status of a myth. Number 8. The Missing Kruger Millions. During the Second Anglo-Boer War, the South African descendants of the Dutch settlers, the Boers, realized that their capital, Pretoria, would soon be captured by British troops. So they swiftly commanded as much gold as they could from government reserves, banks, and the mines. They also minted many thousands of new gold coins. Much of this gold is believed to have traveled with the Boer president Paul Kruger as he journeyed eastwards towards Mozambique to escape the advancing British. He departed by ship for France on 19th of October 1900. The gold remained behind, hidden somewhere in the bushveld of the northeastern Transvaal. It has never been officially found, although it is a popular scam for conmen to try and sell the whereabouts of the gold to gullible tourists. Claims that the treasure was discovered in 2001 close to Ermelo are generally considered somewhat dubious. Number 7. The Treasure of Copper Scroll. Two unusual scrolls made of copper were excavated by archaeologists sponsored by Jordanian Department of Antiquities. These would turn out to be one scroll that had been divided into two pieces. This rare find was discovered on 14th March 1952 at the back of Cave 3, somewhat separate from other finds. The scroll was badly oxidized and fragile to touch, but it was obvious that it was different from other leather and paper scrolls. It was a detailed list of 64 locations where significant amount of gold and silver had been hidden. It was written as if anyone reading it would have been familiarity with the places mentioned, and it is believed to have been created between 110 and 30 BCE. Although many historians believe that some of the treasure may have been located by Romans, during their occupation of the region. It is reasonable to think that at least some of the locations were never revealed. Number 6. The treasure of Flor de la Mar. The Flor de la Mar, flower of the sea, was a 400-ton Portuguese corvette built in Lisbon during 1502. The naval history of the ship was impressive, as it was filled with gold and diamonds from the King of Siam as a tribute to King Alfonso. However, when the ship was returning with over 60 tons of gold and diamonds, it got trapped in a massive storm and sank to the bottom of the sea. It's believed that the ship is somewhere near Malacca, but has yet to be found. Number 5. The Lost Feyerabd Eggs. In 1885, Tsar Alexander III commissioned the production of the gold and enamel hen egg for his wife the Empress Maria, which she adored. Feyerabd was made goldsmith by special appointment to the imperial crown, and over the next 33 years, 52 eggs were made for the Russian royal family, as well as a further 15 for other private buyers. The Feyerabd eggs and many other treasures of the royal family were confiscated and stored in the vaults of Kremlin Armory. Some were sold to raise funds for the new regime. Over time, 8 of the original 52 imperial eggs have vanished, and their whereabouts remain a mystery to this day. A full list of missing eggs is below. In 2007, just one egg, the Rothschild, was sold at Christie's auction house for $8.9 million. Number 4. Spanish Treasure Fleet, Florida, USA. There is a stretch of land in Florida known as Treasure Coast. It has a fitting name because treasure will literally wash up on the shore from time to time. This treasure is from 1715, when Spain had successfully completed its War of Succession. Spain had ordered for 11 galleon ships to reap rewards from Cuba when everything went under due to a hurricane. Ships filled with gold, emeralds, pearls, and silver were lost at sea and still is missing. As for the worth, there is an estimated amount of about $2 billion still lost at sea near Florida. Number 3. The Amber Room, Germany. The Amber Room was a world-famous chamber within Germany that held panels filled with gold. During World War II, when Germany entered Russia, the room was disassembled and shipped to Königsberg, East Prussia. That particular area, however, was bombed by the Allies, leaving the contents of the room uncovered. Only a small portion of a mosaic stone was recovered in 1997, leaving the rest to be buried away. Number 2. The Treasure of Knights Templar. The Knights Templar were a religious military order formed in 1980 to protect Christian pilgrims on their journey to holy lands of Middle East. They established their headquarters on one side of the Temple Mount in Jerusalem and were declared a charity by Pope Innocent II. Knights Templar sailed across the rest of Europe. The remaining knights seem to have moved swiftly to hide their portable treasure. A month later, Pope Clement II issued the Pastoralis Preeminent, which instructed heads of state to arrest all Templars and seize their possessions, which were to be given to another religious order, the Knights Hospitalier. This was only partially carried out, but it was already too late. The vast treasure of the Knights Templar had largely disappeared and has never been found. 0880. Number 1. The Oak Island Money Pit. The Knights Templar was an order of religious warriors who fought to regain the Holy Land. However, when the Pope ordered their arrest, the group disbanded and fled to different parts of the world. Some of their treasure and gold was hidden within Oak Island, Canada. It's believed that the treasure is within a pit that's impossible to dig, as each attempt has caused more water to flood into the pit. This is probably the most excavated site that has still failed to deliver a Oak Island is approximately 140 acres in size and located just off the southeast coast of Nova Scotia. It is one of many small islands in the area and is now linked to mainland via a narrow causeway. Over the following centuries, the pit has been excavated many times, and prospectors have even included an American president, Franklin D. Roosevelt. It has not been an easy task, and the pit is claimed to be a booby trap and has regularly flooded. The most tantalizing clue found so far was a code inscription on a flat stone, which, when translated, apparently stated 40 feet below 2 million pounds lie buried. The deepest excavations reached 72 meters, and over the years at least 6 people have died to find whatever is buried in Oak Island.